Hi, Heidi here. Okay, I'm going to show you this product called Cyto Commissions. What is Cyto Commissions? Wow, Cyto Commission, Cyto. When you have Cyto means Bitcoins. Yes, Bitcoins. Okay, this Cyto Commissions is actually a 100% DFY cloud-based app that creates 100% automated cryptocurrency affiliate sites in less than 60 seconds. In less than 60 seconds. Wow. And you can actually earn commissions and free Cyto after you purchase this. Want to know more? Okay, stay tuned with me. Please like and subscribe my channel so any new digital product you'll be notified. So like and subscribe, share. Right, this is the bonus page for the Cyto commissions. When you click the link below, you'll get to the bonus page that I created. This bonus page will end on the 3rd of May, 11:59 p.m. EST. Cyto commissions, really is Cyto commissions all about. It's everything that you need for unstoppable success. Okay, we in this product, it's a done for you fully optimized Cyto affiliate site, and you'll be ready to go in 60 seconds flat. And with preloaded with content, affiliate offers, stunning graphics and design. Powerful technology automates everything for a truly set and forget solution. It's your own authority sites in the explosive Cyto niche, zero experience or updating required. Basically, a newbie like who have zero knowledge of Cyto in digital money. You may want to consider this as for your passive income. Okay, there will be a built-in Cyto target free traffic, so you can forget about pay ads and wasting your time to promote to get traffic for this. When you do Cyto, with this Cyto commission sites come with multi-source buyer traffic built-in, includes laser targeted Google traffic plus multiple viral sources at your fingertip. Okay, cutting-edge viral Cyto currency content, which will be instant authority in the Cyto niche without the research or homework. Basically, a newbie can actually have this app cloud yourself. Okay, the sites are loaded with hot cyclo topics and content to keep visitors coming back for more. Okay, and of course, each piece of content is pre-monetized with your links. So basically, you can have this Cyto commissions. It also comes with affiliate marketing, effortless scaling and customization with your DFY sites built to advantage of the huge growth in the Cyto niche to maximize your result. To customize color backgrounds and logos to match your brand, and easy banners and affiliate offers. Add your own Cyto articles to scale your site and free traffic. It's a stand-alone Cyto site build app included. So with your handphones or everyone owns a mobile, you can just go from your own mobile to go to this site. On top of the DFY site, you also get our first ever Cyto site builder app, okay, to create your own sites from scratch, and perfect to diversify skills and grow your business as this market continues to explode. As you know that Cyto currencies is blooming. Top converting commissions offer with automatic approval. They have loaded their site with the latest top converting Cyto offers and maximize your result with diverse income streams, include recurring offers for the ultimate laptop style. So grow your own Cyto portfolio for even greater gains, and no website, no technical skill, no experience needed. It's just a brand new first in market system. It's actually an offer that you can actually look into. So what's the price? Okay, it's just $17. This is actually $17, and within this limited time with on the 3rd of May. And when you upgrade to unlimited version, it will be $67. With 100% done for you is $97. The unlimited traffic is $97. Automations is $67, and with the ATM is $197. Ultimate is $197, and the license rights, reseller rights at $67. So here what's to love about Cyto commissions that you may be interested. Get in front of the latest new niche in years. Automated system works for anywhere in the world. Yes. It's custom built, specialized for beginners, newbies. If you have no knowledge about cryptocurrencies, this is the app product that you should look into and learn. And then it is really built in, so you're not $17. Okay, you will not even waste money. And there's a catch. There's a catch. There's 180 days money back guarantee. If this is not for you, here I'll go into that. There's no money cost if you get it now. After that 5 days, which is on the 3rd of May, the price is going to go up. So grab it now, grab it. Okay, click on the link below and purchase this offer whilst it is at its best price. Which after 3rd of May is going to go up the price. Okay, and this is really come with huge list of Cyto buyers, and you can actually own your own Cyto for even greater gains. So basically, you need no website, no traffic, okay, no technical skills, no experienced newbies, you can just purchase this and you can actually earn an income. And this is actually a brand new first in market system. So unlock the laptop stars and prove to develop by elite affiliate marketer. Okay, and this is all covered with no questions, 180 days back money back guarantee. Okay, just click on this yellow button and you get all your bonuses. So what is the bonuses that I've gathered? Okay, bonus number 1 is worth 5,000, more than 5,380. This whole bonus, my compilations and the vendors, is worth more than $6,000. Okay, the first bonus one is access to 17 best-selling information products on traffic. So what are the 17 products I'm talking about? Okay, they are, you get a 300 CPA every day, you got a 500 CPA every day. Okay, what CPA is? Click per action. Okay, CPA coffee shop method, 200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, 250 cash magnet, the commission grid, trigger influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commission toolbox, and a lot more. These are actually information that you $1,429. What are you getting? Affiliate traffic lab. Okay, it's actually a cloud-based software that helps create videos to drive traffic. Okay, videos will always attract customers, attract people. Even kids also attracts to videos. So in this cloud-based, this software, it actually teaches you videos to drive traffic. Next is access to Instagram marketing. You can promote this Cyto commissions in Instagram and how to market it in Instagram. Okay, next how to exploit your YouTube channel. You can use this Cyto commissions. You can use your YouTube channel to market this product. Okay, and how to exploit. So all this, okay, worth more than $6,000. And if this is what you're looking for in your newbie, you like to have a passive income. So when you click on the link button below this channel, okay, it will, and then you click on this yellow button. Click on the yellow button, it will give you this is the sales page of Cyto commissions. Okay, it's the world first Cyto and Bitcoin traffic solutions. Okay, in 16 seconds you have 100% done for you. Cyto currency affiliate sites with free buyer traffic from 100 million. So when you access it now, it will be $19 and you can use one-time payment and you can use forever. After this offer, it will be $197 monthly. It is money. So, and if you purchase it now, there will be 180 days money back guarantee. So if this is not for you, you can actually have your money back guarantee in after 180 days. Okay, why not? See, why not? You get just $19 and then you can use forever, or you will have a thing, maybe after that 5 days, which is going to end in 3rd of May, it's going to rise up to $197. So grab it now. Click on the link below and grab it now. The sales page, for many users, basically these have the 3 steps to after you purchase this Cyto commissions. You just have the 3 steps to get into the traffic. The step 1 is just click on the buy button to secure your topic, and then you log in to enter your details into the system, and then switch on the built-in traffic and watch floods of Cyto targeted traffic hit your modernizations. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's it's all about in 3 steps on the laptops. Last time you've been searching for a passive income that you want to purchase. Okay, let me bring you to the dashboard. The dashboard after you purchase. Okay, on the left hand side, you have the tutorials how everything that you need to how to get the most of this Cyto commissions, how to use this site, how to use this app. Okay, it will teach you, and anything you have, and any inquiries. Okay, you have the support desk, which is on the left hand bottom. This help. Okay, and of course they will have a lot of articles and apps and site setting, traffic and free traffic, and you can upgrade after you decide okay, maybe I will firstly purchase it at $17. After then, if you like to upgrade, then they have a special price for you. So basically this is Cyto commissions dashboard after you have purchased the product. If you are looking for passive income, you look for now it is the in thing. The digital money is booming. Give it a shot. I'm saying serious from my heart. You should give it a shot. Give it a try. It's no harm, because after you purchase it, you can have a deal. And if it's not for you, you're not sure of it, you ask really for help, and from the help desk, and you think, this is not for me, I'm not making money. After 180 days of purchase, get back to them, and then you get the $7 back. Okay, that's from me, Kylie. Thank you for watching.